Welcome back. This video will show you the steps to set up and run Confluent Kafka on a Mac machine. Kafka runs on Linux. Your Mac has a Linux core, so running Kafka on a Mac machine is straightforward. In this video, we will learn to do the following. Let's start with the first item. We will be installing and running Confluent Kafka on your local machine. However, in your project, you might have access to a remote Kafka cluster. Both types of setup work in the same manner. Now let's download the Confluent Kafka. Go to the confluent.io and hit the Get Started button. Scroll down and you will see a link to download the Confluent platform. Give your email address. Deployment type should be manual. The format should be a tar file. Accept the license terms and start the download. Wait for the download file to complete. Great, my download is complete and here is the file, right? Let me move it to my home directory. So, I can use the cp command like this. This command will copy the downloaded file to my home directory. Now, I can untar the download. Use the following command. Done. Let me check. Here is the uncompressed directory. This is my Confluent home. So, let me set the Confluent home environment variable for the same. Open your .zshrc and set the Confluent home and path environment variable. Restart your terminal and you are done. We are almost done, but for smooth running of Kafka, we need to change some broker configurations. You can find the broker configurations in the Confluent home. etc Kafka server.properties. Open the configuration file using your favorite editor. Scroll down and look for the listener's configuration. Uncomment it and change it to point to all IP addresses. Come down and look for the advertised listeners. Uncomment it and change it to point to the local host. Scroll down further and look for listener security protocol map and uncomment it. That's all. Save this file. Now, you are ready to start the Confluent Kafka server. I can start the Confluent platform using the following command. Wait for a few minutes while the Confluent platform is starting. Great. So now we have a bunch of Confluent Kafka services up and running. Leave them running in the current terminal and start your browser to hit the localhost 9021. You will see the Confluent Control Center homepage. Select your cluster and come to the topics. Let's add a new topic to the cluster. Let me name it as a test topic. Keep the number of partitions as 1 and create it with the defaults. That's all. We have a topic now. Let me start a new terminal and run a console producer. Here is the command. Let me send one text message. Let me send one more. Now you can start a new terminal using command plus T. We will start a consumer in this new terminal. Here is the command. You can see the output, right? Great. We are done installing Confluent Kafka on our local machine and we also tested it once. Now you can close the consumer and also close the producer. You can stop the Confluent platform using the following command. Once closed, you may also want to clean up all the data and topics. You can do it using the following command. If you start the Confluent platform again, you will again see it in the initial state. You can create new topics, produce and consume data, and use it as your local development cluster. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. We'll start creating some Kafka applications in the coming video and use this cluster for our development and testing. See you again. Keep learning and keep growing.